Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to write a program to check if the first and last element of a list are same or not. So let's start the tutorial. This is the original list. The first and last element are same. See, 1 and 1. Now I'm changing to 0. This one, then I'm save all, come to the terminal. Now I have changed it, the first element and the last element are not same. Now we will check. See, here we got the first and last list element are not same.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a Python tutorials, is added to the VS Explorer. Now, let's create one new file, add one new file called check list element and first last same .py. And here we got the newly created file is open. Now, first, I'm creating one list elements list with a square brackets 1 comma 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 7 6 comma 1. Now my aim is in this list one I want to check the first and the last element both are same or not. So for that, first let's print the original list, original list comma list 1. Now I'm adding the I'm checking the list elements, the first and last element are same or not. First I'm declaring one variable called first list element is equals to, I'm adding list 1 0 and last list element is equals to list 1 minus 1. Now here if condition, if first list element is equals to double equals to last element, then I want to print the list element, the first and last element are same, first and last list element are same. Else print, instead of writing the same thing, copy this one, the first and last element are not same. So let's save this file. We'll check the output. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Now let's check the final output of our application to check the first and last element of the list are same or not. The command is Python, my file name checklist element fl same.py, enter. And notice here I got, this is the original list, the first and last element are same. See, 1 and 1. Now I'm changing to 0, this one, then I'm save all, come to the terminal. Now I have changed it, the first element and the last element are not same. Now we will check. See, here we got the first and last list element are not same. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to check the first and last element in a list are same or not. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.